Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add voiceover to PowerPoint. It's pretty easy. First of all, you need to select the slide where you would like to add voiceover. In my case, this is this slide. And in order to add voiceover, we just simply need to go to this insert tab. Right here, you should be able to see the audio drop down. Simply open that, and here you have two options. Either you can simply insert the audio file from your computer, and like this will allow you to choose the file from your computer, and you can simply insert that to the slide, or also you can select this option record audio, and here you'll able to see the option to record. Like all I have to do, click on this option and it will start recording the audio. Once you are done, click on this option, and that way we'll able to simply save this to a slide. You can name it whatever you like. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna name it sample. To save this, click on OK, and we'll able to get this icon, and you can just simply move it wherever you like. You can simply click on this option to play the recording, and also you can simply make this icon bigger, smaller, and you can simply put wherever you like, as I said. So it is that easy. Also you can just go to this option playback, and you'll able to see a couple of more options. Like you can simply add fade to this audio file, or you can simply add fade out. You can also start this and simply put it in click sequence automatically or when clicked on. So basically by using this option, you'll able to edit your audio file the way you want. Like you can trim it, you can play it in background, or do whatever you want. So yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to add voiceover in PowerPoint. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.